What's up, guys? This is going to be a quick haul from the Shop With Me video, the last video that y'all just saw. So let's get started. So I got these cute rub-on transfer stickers. Yeah, I already know a DIY is coming. But I thought these was really nice. It's foil, gold foil, and for $1. Come on, guys. Real cute. Next, I got these cute little crates, and I have a lot of ideas what I want to do with these, so I grabbed two, and we're going to see what we do. This cute little wooden box, I think they called it like a jewelry box. The heck? It's just a wooden box, and this is a drawer. And I already have a couple of these. I'm going to show you something if y'all haven't discovered already, but it'll be after the video. Then I picked up a few, two of these, as y'all see in this. And as y'all see, this is to help to make those balloon arches. Now I'm gonna do a test Dollar Tree product out to see if it actually works. So if y'all want to catch that video, to see if it's even worth purchasing. I know it's only $1, but hey, if it's not going to work, $1, I still wouldn't purchase it, okay? Thanks. So I want to do a test me out on these products to see if it really works. So I also got this cute little beach ball glow stick thing. Y'all, I am a kid at heart. And I was like, you know what? I'll play with this by myself. How about that? So once again, I'm going to test this product out to see if it's even worth $1, okay? So I'm going to see how much fun I can have with it and if it glows like in my mind how I want it to glow. So I also got these two cute little hats. Now these hats are thin, I must say. But say if you're having like a cute like girls trip or just something that you just want to customize and, you know, use as a souvenir almost, I think these would be worth $1. Come on, guys, $1. And so I'm going to DIY these as well to give you guys some ideas of how they can be used. But I don't recall ever seeing hats at Dollar Tree, so I thought it was at least worth trying out. And I bought a couple more scarves to make me some more cute flip-flops, which y'all see. So I got some black flip-flops, and I got these two scarves. If y'all haven't seen my July 4th video, I show a cute way of upgrading your Dollar Tree flip-flops into some cute little summer sandals. So that wraps up my haul. I told y'all guys it was quick, but I am going to be making a video showing you guys the products I bought, if they're even worth buying, and some other DIYs with the other ones. So stay tuned, guys. And as always, thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video. Y'all thought I forgot. Okay, y'all, before I truly head out, I wanted to show y'all this is the box that they say this is supposed to be like a drawer, but actually I want to use it as two boxes. So I'm going to use this plain and then use this plain as well. So instead of using it as a drawer, I'm going to just use it as two boxes. So if y'all see these in y'all Dollar Tree, go ahead and grab y'all, because I love 2-for-1s at Dollar Tree, and that's why I'm going to use this bad boy as a 2-for-1. Boom. So that's just to keep that in y'all mind if that's how y'all want to use it or not. So, and y'all already know I'm going to be DIYing this bad boy too. So, real talk. I'm out this time. Deuces. See you next video.